so that when we open it, you're going to see C Strike and Gary's mod. Those are your two main files you're going to be working with. And there you have all the server files in the right place and everything's ready, pretty much. Next, you're going to forward ports. Now, I'm not going to get into that with this tutorial. That's probably another tutorial in itself. But if you already know how to forward ports, for Gmod, the ports needed are 27005 and 27001 or 27015, and you're going to both need UCP and ICP checked. Now, there are dozens and dozens and so many websites that explain how to port forward, but if you do not know or you're new to port forwarding, I recommend having someone there with you because messing with your router settings could be catastrophic if you don't do it right. So, once you port forward, if you know how, then you're going to need to create a way to start the server. And the way we start the server is this command line right here. C://srcds/srcds.exe. And the way we start the server is we copy this, and then we create a new shortcut. The new shortcut, we're going to go to Browse, Computer. On your computer, it's probably your C drive. On mine, it's my D drive. SRCDS, and then we're going to go down to SRCDS right here, and then press OK. And you're going to press Next. Type a name for the shortcut. I'm going to name mine Gmod Server. You can name it whatever you want, and then you're going to press Finish. And once you've created that, you're going to right click, Properties, and where it says Target, you're going to paste what I had in this text file right here. Now, I'm probably gonna, because I did not put this text file in the download for files needed for Gmod's dedicated server download, because I did it after I uploaded the files. So I'm gonna upload this text file to a different file host instead of Wrap and Share, so you don't have to wait 15 minutes before you download another file. And it will have the command in here, right here, and actually the link should be to your right. Now, once you have that in there, now you have, press apply. The name CSRCDS specified target box is not valid. Make sure the place. Okay, it's not. It's gonna say that on mine because my my file is not in my C drive. It's in my D drive. So I gotta change that. But for you, it's probably in your D drive. And I'm gonna press apply, and it's gonna apply that, and you're gonna press OK. So now, if you double clicked on this and you port forwarded correctly, you should have an up and running Gmod server that anybody can join. Now, you're going to need a way to admin the server. To do that, in the download, the first download, I added a package called ASSmod 2.2 full, and that is a simple server modification that's an admin tool to admin your server. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna also teach you how to install it. So you're gonna double click on the RAR file inside the files needed for Gmod server. double click on it, and this new window is going to pop up, and you're going to see ASS mod right here. What you're going to do is in your srcds orange box Gary's mod folder, that's local disk C for you, D for me, srcds orange box Gary's mod, and then you're going to go to your add-ons folder and just drag and drop it from there into the folder. Now I've already dragged and dropped it in there, so it's going to ask me if I want to replace it, and I'm going to say yes. Move and replace on Vista. Yes. Do this for all current items. There we go. And do this for all next 57 conflicts. And it's going to put that file into your add-ons folder. Now, without us giving it any kind of direction or command, it's not going to know what to do. It's not going to know what to admin. So what we need to do is we need to go back out of our add-ons folder into our Gary's mod folder, and then we're going to go to settings, and we're going to edit this user's text document right here. We're going to double click on that. It's probably going to open it up in Notepad. Now, you're going to see this long string of characters and different things, and all you're going to focus on is the one that says superadmin and the brackets after it. You're going to see Gary, or / quote Gary in quotes, and then you're going to see his Steam ID. What we want to do is we want to add our name and our Steam ID. So we're to add your Steam name. For me, it's ASC Skullmaker90. If you guys want to hit me up sometime, play some TF2 or Left 4 Dead, or maybe some Gmod, then just message me. We'll do it. Okay. And once you have your username in there, you're in quotes, you're going to want to put your Steam ID. Now, I don't know mine off the top of my head, but so I'm just going to put in example 1 here. And I know you're asking, how do I find my Steam ID? Well, to find your Steam ID, what you're going to do is you're going to go to any Steam game, and you're going to have to enable the console. To enable the console, you're going to press escape when you're in any server, in any TF2 game or Steam game, sorry. And you're going to go to options, controls, advanced options, and then you're going to check the box that says enable developer console, and then you're going to press OK, and then you're going to press OK, and then while you're still at the escape screen, the screen you get to when you press escape, you're going to press your tilde key. That's this key right here. Not that key. This is your tilde key. It's the key next to your 1 key. And the one that you probably never used before, and you're probably never going to use again. So you're going to press your tilde key, and once you're in there, you're going to type in status, like this. And once you type that in and press enter, it's going to come up with everybody in the server's name, like game name, game tag, and it's going to the right, you're going to see their Steam ID. What you want to do is you want to find your Steam ID, copy it, and paste it after your name in quotes, and you're going to want to paste it in quotes after your name in the users.txt file under superadmin. As you can see, superadmin, and then my name and my Steam ID. Well, that's not really my Steam ID. I just made one up. Once you've done that, you're going to go to File, Save. Now it's going to come up with this.